Hello, today we'll be looking at derived fields and how to add derived fields. And before that, I just want to explain what derived fields are. They're the most flexible option of all the field configurations. They can be used in place of all the other field types. They can be used to convert data types, take substrings, or write more complex bits of code to return the desired information. For example, we can see here the substring actor Infor. Business class actor is derived field. And you can see how complex it can get. So to want to add a derived field, you'd want to be in configuration console, and you would want to go to create and add derived. You can choose to add your business class, make a name for it, choose the field type, and for example, just some stuff you can do for a derived field. You can make it pretty much as simple or complex as you want. For example, it can be something like returning a value, something like that, or this they'll show you how to return a substring of an alpha field. So it's something like this. Okay. And for example, if we wanted to show how to include if clauses in a definition, it looked like something like this. It'll look like something like this. So, it could be as simple or complex. And this next example will show you how to invoke a script. So you're naming the derived field, the size, the field that you're returning, the temperature, the zip code, and the script weather. So you're invoking a script this way. And then I'm going to do an example on one of the business classes. I'll do a whole example right here. So we'll go ahead and add our business class. Go ahead and do actor. And the name of this derived field is going to be has IEF and role. Because I'm going to add so that in this business class, all the actors must have this certain role. Okay, and then the extended field type is going to be Boolean. So I skipped ahead of me writing the code, but so here we have actor is a business class owned by a person and derived field. So we're naming the derived field here, the type, and so basically for each actor in this business class, their role, they have to have this role. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. And so here we can see it in the developer console. Okay, and then now we're going to go to the business class. And here we are in the assets business class. So all the actors in this business class must have the role that I defined in the derived field. And that's basically how you add a derived field. Thank you.